We can all agree that it's train, Bruno, train, dinosaur, train, whatever he did.
It's a train.
It's a train.
The drive is a very long drive. You like pull over, stretch. At the end of the month,
We gotta wait for everybody to get on the train.
Here we go. Eyeball. Here we go.
And here we go. Welcome once again to the Scranton Limited Yard Train Tour. Once again, my name is Ranger Kennedy, and we have several volunteers here that are very much able to help you out during our train ride today. This is a 30-minute, 3-mile ride, and you will be seeing lots of incredible things. The first thing to point out would be that we are at the site of the historic DL&W Rail Yard. DL&W stands for Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western. This is a rail yard that started in the 1850s, so very old rail yard. You're also going to see some cool things about downtown Scranton. And there will be buildings, structures, trains, vehicles, and people on both sides of the train. You're definitely going to feel a difference from a car to train when you can feel the motion of the train underneath you as you move forward and backward on the track. You're going to hear some bells and also some whistles. You're also going to hear the train engine and wheels working. The bells do have a significance as how one whistle means stop,
There you go.
which I think we're about to hear right now. There you go. One means stop. 2 whistles means okay or go forward. In a
Highball.
little bit, I predict we're going to hear 3 whistles, which means going backwards. And when we get to a crossing, there's a really fancy whistle, so I'll explain that when we hear that one for the first time. Scranton, Pennsylvania was built on anthracite coal. 76% of the world's supply of anthracite coal is found in the Lackawanna and Wyoming valleys. And Scranton is in the north. There's 3 fields of coal in Scranton, Arizona.
There it is. East west.
So lots of activity during the Industrial Revolution as coal was used to heat people's homes, and it was also used to power steam engines, not just train steam engines, but steam engines in factory settings as well. And customers preferred anthracite coal over bituminous coal because it is more pure in carbon, which means less dusty, creates less soot, and it also burns cleaner and more efficiently, so you get less of that same nice heat. Well, we're going through the rail yard today. I want you to look for signs of the 5 railroads that were located here in Scranton, Pennsylvania. I want you to look for signs of the Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western, the Erie Railroad, the Central Railroad of New Jersey, the Delaware and Hudson Railroad, and the New York, Ontario, and Western Railroad. On our left, we're getting a really nice view of the mall ramp, which was built in 1993. And it was built on top of the site of a former coal trestle. So you can actually see the original cement footings of that coal trestle. Think of the coal trestle as a gas station for steam locomotives, because the trains would be on the track directly next to the coal trestle, and chutes would drop coal into the tender. So not only can you see the original concrete footings, but in a little bit you're also going to see the year that the coal trestle was built. You're going to see 1906. So the DL&W loved using concrete. They were very good at concrete. In fact, so good that it was difficult to destroy when they were trying to build the Steamtown Mall. And they always like to mark their structures with the year that it was built. So you're going to see 1906 here coming up on the left. Alright, you just heard that fancy whistle because we came to a crossing. 2 long blasts of the whistle, a short, and another long blast of the whistle means you're at a crossing. And Morse code for letter Q was 2 long, 2 short, and a long. And so that goes back to the time of Queen Victoria. And when she approached a crossing, she wanted everyone to give her the right of way. And trains, of course, need the right of way as well because of their size. So 2 blasts, 2 long blasts, a short blast, and a long blast. The whistle is still used at crossings today.
Do it. Wait a minute. That's the D&O, Breckman. Huh. Wait a minute. Wow. Oh, look at